Okay, so the task 19O, open the file webpage.rtf, which will be used to create a short interactive presentation in 4:3 format. Then add your name to slide 1, add the following links to the slides. For slide 2, the text for 3 layers will become button to access the relevant slides. From slide 2 to 5, the text extra help will link to the slide 6. For slide 3 to 6, an action button placed in the bottom right corner of the slide to return to slide 2. Slide 6, the text document on HTML will link to the document HTML RTF. For slide 6, the text hodder website will link to the https://www.hodder.co.uk. And slide 6, the text email the author and the image email.png will both prepare an email message to graham.a.brown@hotmail.co.uk. Okay, so one by one we have to do changes, or step by step we have to do this task 19O. Now here first step is open webpage.rtf, this file, in a fresh PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so I'm opening here a fresh new PowerPoint presentation. Okay, in this presentation I'm going to open just you can open that RTF file from here also. So I'll click on new slide, then slides from the outline. Here webpage.rtf is given in source file. You click on insert so that file will be inserted. Now the first blank slide that is not required, so I am deleting it. Now here web page development, this is given. I want to convert it to the titles. So layout title I am specifying here for the first page or first slide. Here I am giving my name, that is by Arya. Okay, now this is the first step, that we have opened the RTF file in PowerPoint presentation and we have changed the title slide, first slide to the title slide. Okay, and now next thing we have to do the one by one. So add your name to slide 1. We have added the following links to the slides. That first one, in the slide 2, the text for the 3 layers will become button to access the relevant slides. Okay, so we will open the slide 2. So here is the slide 2. Under the 3 layers, there are 3 bullet lists are given, that is the content layer, presentation layer and behavior layer. For these 3 bullet lists, we have to create an object, that is a rectangular box. Okay, and we can create hyperlink to that rectangular box, so that when we click on that particular rectangular box, it will link to the specific slide. Okay, now we'll write for the content layer. Okay, we are going to use the easy method, that first of all I am creating one rectangular box. So the insert, here is the shape and here is the rectangular box. Here I am going to create a first rectangular box for the content layer. This content layer I have copied, Ctrl X and paste inside, Ctrl V. I am going to change the appearance to white color, shape outline, it must be white. Sorry, font size, no? Font. Okay, so here I am going to change content home and font size is white. Okay, similarly I can create the same thing for presentation layer and behavior layer. So what I'll do, I'll Ctrl C, copy this portion and paste it again by Ctrl V, align this and arrange just below that, and write presentation layer, Ctrl X instead of this content layer. So I'm entering Ctrl V, that is a presentation layer, and I'm changing the color, font color, that is the white. Same thing I'm doing for the behavior layer. Control V again, Control Z, sorry, Control C, and here Control V. Again I am copying this bulleted list, that is the behavior layer, Control X, and here I am entering it, Control V, behavior layer, select this and change the color to white. Okay, now we'll adjust this properly. Okay, so here three layers are given, content layer, presentation layer, and behavior layer. When I click on a content layer, when I click on this particular object, then it should be hyperlinked to the slide. That slide will be slide 3, that is a content layer. Okay, so how we can do it? Just click over here, right click there, select first content layer object, that is a rectangular box. Okay, right click it and click on a hyperlink. Now this particular slide we want to link to the content layer slide. Okay, now this slide is same in a same document, so here select the place in the document. Here content layer slide is given, select it and click on OK. So this particular text box or particular box will be linked to content layer. Now I write for same thing for this one, that is I right click over here, click on a hyperlink, place in the document, that is a presentation layer, so click here presentation layer, click on OK. Similar thing we are doing for behavior layer, right click, hyperlink. Okay, so behavior layer is here, click OK. Now these three layers are linked to the particular slide. Now we'll do the next thing, that is 2 to 5, the extra help will link to slide 6. Means when we click on the text extra help, then it will link to the slide 6. So we'll again go to slide 2. Here is the extra help, select it, right click and click on a hyperlink. Here we are going to link this particular text to the extra help slide, click OK. The same thing we have to do for this extra help, hyperlink. I'm going to hyperlink to the extra help of here. Then number 4, same thing I'm going to repeat for this hyperlink, it's extra help, okay. And the last one is the 5th, here is the extra help, right click, hyperlink, I'm selecting the extra help here, click OK. So all these 2 to 5 slides are linked to the extra help slide. Okay, now we are going to do next thing, that's once you have completed the 2 to 5 slide, that it will link to the extra help slide, that is the last slide. Now slide 3 to 6, we have to use an action button placed in the bottom right corner of the slide to return to slide 2 for 3 to 6. So I'll open first 3, here is the 3, and here I want to insert a button. Click on a shapes, and in the shape here you will get action buttons. Number of action buttons are given over here. We want to come back to the second slide, so what I will do, I will select this action button. Okay, and this action button should be at the right hand side, and what it has to do, it will link to the slide, it will create hyperlink to the slide, that is to which it is said slide 2. Okay, click OK, and here too I am going to click OK. So this button is created. Now the same button we have to apply for all 3 to 6 slides. Okay, the same thing I'm using 326. So Control C means I'm copying this and I'm going to paste for slide 4, paste for slide 4, and last one slide 6. Okay, so I applied this for 3 to 6 means this. Okay, this task we have done. Now slide 6, the next text document on HTML will link to the document.html.rtf. Okay, so we'll go to the slide 6. In the slide 6, here is the slide 6. Here document on HTML, this particular hyperlink, particular text will be hyperlink to an RTF document. That RTF document will be stored in other file. So existing file in the folder is stored in a E drive area in chapter 19, and here is that document RTF, HTML RTF. Okay, so this document is this document.html, this text will be linked for the html.rtf by using this hyperlink. Okay, next is saying that slide 6, the header website will link to the http://www.header.co.uk. So here we have to link this particular header website. Right click, hyperlink, and in this hyperlink we have to write the address, that is https://header.co.uk, and click OK. So this will link to the particular website. Now if you want to create a link for the email ID, then select it, then hyperlink, email address, and here you have to mention the email address to which we have to send email. So here graham.a.brown.uk, Control C, and here Control V. If you want to write some subject, then you can type over here help for HTML. Okay, one image we have to enter for the hyperlink. So insert picture, and on a E drive in your source file one email PNG is there, insert it. Okay, just below this select it. You can right click on the picture, click on a hyperlink. Okay, here you have to write the email address and help for HTML. Okay, this content I have mentioned, click on OK. Okay, so the email author, this text is a hyperlink to the email ID, and this image is also hyperlinked to the email ID. So these things we have completed. Now document HTML is done, header website is done, and the email author or the image is also done. So this file we can save having name task19o. So I'm going to save this by using name, file, save as in PowerPoint, task. Okay, what was the task? Task was task19o. 19o. Okay, save. If you see the output of this file, I'm showing you output. Here the web page developed by Arya. Then we are going to see the next part is the content layer is there. When you click on extra help, here you are getting last part, and if you click on this action button, you are coming on the 3 layers. Slide 2. Now when you click this content layer, it will goes to content layer. Again you can come by action button to the previous slide 2. When you click on a presentation layer, here presentation layer will display, and if you want to go from here from extra help, here you will get extra help. Here document on HTML is given. When you click on a document.html, then the RTF document will open on screen. And if you click on the header website, then the website will open in a browser. And if you click on an email author, it will link to the email server, and the email server will open on a screen. Okay, so again I'm going to the previous one. Extra help is also given here, and here is the action button. Okay, so this page you have to save having name task O. Okay, so here we have completed our task O.